Good morning, children. This is the continuation of our worksheet number 4. As we have learned it in our previous class, these time phrases. So we have seen just two, the time phrases which shows about the time. Isn't it? Now we shall continue with the remaining. Third one we shall do it today. Dash, there was a strange man who lived in an old cottage once upon a time. Means before many years ago, there lived a strange man who lived in an old cottage. Fourth one, I visit my cousin's dash once a month, means only one time in a month. Fifth one, she had gone to Delhi. She had gone to live in Delhi but moved to Meghalaya dash after a while, means after some time. Sixth one, I was walking down the street dash I heard a loud noise. That is just then, means immediately you heard a loud noise. Now coming to the bit spelling. Here correctly spell the words in color and rewrite the passage. We need to read the passage and detect the wrong word and write the passage again. Let's see. While cycling along the countryside, we saw many famous places. The rivers and hills looked beautiful. Many of our friends were shocked when we did not agree to go by train. We finally reached Mumbai 4 weeks after leaving Bengaluru. Our arrival in the city caused great excitement. We were tired and sweaty but still felt extremely happy. So here the main thing which we need to concentrate are the green colored words. If we'll come to the first line, what it is? The word is cycling. Here the spelling of cycle is C-Y-C-L-E. But if we are saying cycling, if a boy is riding a cycle, we call it as cycling. So there, whenever we are adding I to some words, we'll remove E from the word. Cycling, C-Y-C-L-I-N-G, cycling. While cycling along the countryside. Now coming to second line. We saw many places. Famous, F-A-M-O-U-S, famous. The rivers and hills looked beautiful. The correct spelling of beautiful is B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. Many of our friends were shocked when we did not agree to go by train. Friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Next, we finally reached Mumbai 4 weeks after leaving Bengaluru. Finally, F-I-N-A-L-L-Y, finally. Next, our arrival in the city caused great excitement. Arrival, Arrival, in the city caused great excitement. EXCI, not SI, CITEMENT, excitement. Now coming to the last word, we were tired and sweaty but still felt extremely happy. EXTREMELY, extremely happy. So these words, after writing in the correct spellings, so write down the whole paragraph as shown now, which is written with the pencil. Okay, now we'll learn how to write a poster. Posters are used to give people information about events or tell people about general issues and problems, get people to buy certain things. So here, posters are nothing but the pamphlets which we see in our daily or general life. These are designed to create awareness among the people about the issues or to promote something to buy or to give the information about the events. For example, like we get number of informations from these pamphlets or the posters of about some inaugurations or the events which are going to be held in our areas, either in our village or in our cities. And it also says about when the work is going to be held, about a time, who are the people, where they are going to attend, who are the chief guests, and the remaining details. And it also includes the time. Here one of it is done over for us, that is Save the Whales. Hope that everyone understood. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.